Baking cookies is a delightful activity enjoyed by many people around the world. Cookies are small, sweet baked goods that come in various flavors, shapes, and sizes. They are easy to make and delicious, making them a favorite treat for many. To bake cookies, you need some basic ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. You can also add chocolate chips, nuts, or fruits to enhance the flavor. The process of making cookies is simple. First, you mix the ingredients in a bowl. Then, you shape the dough into small balls and place them on a baking sheet. Finally, you bake them in the oven until they are golden brown. Baking cookies can be a fun and rewarding experience. It allows you to be creative and try different recipes. You can experiment with various ingredients and create your unique cookie flavor. Additionally, baking cookies can be a great way to spend time with family and friends. It can bring joy and happiness to everyone involved. Moreover, cookies are a popular gift item. They are often given as presents during holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions. People appreciate homemade cookies because they are made with love and care. Gifting cookies can strengthen relationships and bring smiles to people's faces. In conclusion, baking cookies is a wonderful activity that brings joy and happiness. It is easy, fun, and rewarding. Whether you are baking cookies for yourself, your family, or as a gift, the process is sure to be enjoyable.